silent on a wall.
It's so miserable rainy day. We are going to the Arthur's Pass soon. Hopefully the sun is coming through. It's trying, but miserably.
Can't go forward, I can't take it back. Maybe this was never meant to last. It's so cold without you. It's so cold without you. It's so cold without you driving past these memories. Could it be that they were never there at all? If you love something, they say set it free. It's killing me, 'cause how am I supposed to rip out half my heart? Fire red, red till the flames burned out. Now it's just ashes on the ground. So cold without you. So cold without you here. It's so cold without you. So cold without you.
That is Alpine Parrot Kia in here Arthur's Pass, New Zealand. It's so good. Like, it's so I don't know, beautiful. I didn't get to catch the flight, but the bright orange colors under the wings when she or he flies. It's so beautiful and colorful. Awesome bird. I wanted that back my home. That lookout is awesome. Arthur's Pass. Even that it's a long ride, it's beautiful, even in the rain and cold and misery. No, but it's beautiful. My second time here. I love it. Majestic. We are at Kumara. It's so small old town that the only thing that's new is for children. Everything else is dying. It's old mining town and it's little hippie to say at least, and there's not much to do. It's so tiny, except there's like one or couple motels and general store, and they're open like a couple hours a day. and then even the gasoline is out. They only have diesel left. But it's 20 minutes to other town, so it's not that far, and it's right after Arthur's Pass, so people go by. Oh wait, that's probably how they survive. And the name Kumara means sweet potato as patatti in Finnish for my Finnish viewers. Houses are so tiny in here. Only place to have food in town.